Hello, this is Paul Entrick, General Manager of Fish Gallery in Dallas, Texas. I'm here today to talk about how to replace a bad ballast starter in an aquarium fish tank. The first step is to turn your aquarium light off and unplug it from the wall. Once you have removed the light fixture from the aquarium, lay it on a flat, stable surface. Once you can do that, place your hand on the starter, press firmly, and twist counterclockwise. The ballast will then pull directly from the light fixture. Take your new starter, place it in to the slots, press firmly, and twist clockwise. The starter is now installed, and you can replace the light fixture on your aquarium. This has been how to replace a bad ballast starter in an aquarium fish tank. Thank you for watching.